Welcome to LSE's Online Campus. LSE Online Certificate courses are broken down into weekly modules filled with a combination of didactic and interactive content. Each module includes a range of content to optimize engagement, including the course materials, notes and infographics, which provide all the learning materials required to complete the course. Videos to give participants face time with LSE academics and industry experts. Discussion forums to encourage interaction and networking. Quizzes with instant feedback to reinforce learning. And a weekly assignment allowing participants to apply the concepts they've learned. Materials can be accessed through the platform or downloaded in PDF format for ease of access. During each week, participants can clearly see their activities for the week and how long each one will take. This information and the module progress bar allows them to plan their learning and track their progress. When the course is presenting, participants are supported by tutors, subject matter experts who mark assignments and moderate discussion forums, success managers, pastoral support with a focus on course completion, and tech support, 24/7 tech and administrative support available by phone, email, and live chat. The platform has been carefully designed to work effectively on computer, mobile, or tablet, and this is what it looks like.
As a contemporary business leader, you need to be able to contribute to conversations and decisions.
And the interaction between the economics and the politics is at the heart of what this course is about.
Which is a unique blend of experimental psychology, economics, and decision science.
What are the expectations of the future for whatever we're looking at, whether it's a business, an asset specifically, but again, it always goes back to what do we think the future might look like?
The upfront cash flow occurs, well, upfront, so it doesn't need to be discounted at all.
If we click on the Forecast Worksheet tab, we can see that in fact we have 3 sales forecasts distinguished by this segment of consumer, corporate and home office.
The percentage of gross profit for year 1 of company A by dividing gross profit of 34,331.
1, 2, 3. You see you have to leave the box. 4.
Using highly interactive and supported online learning, this course allows you to cut to the core.
Trading off, and that tends to give you
So
a much
how do we use valuation, especially fundamental?